to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some extreme deep cleaning motivation where I'm going through spaces in my house and just getting some overall deep cleaning done. I hope you're ready for lots of motivation. Let's go ahead and get started.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
So I wanted to start out today in my bedroom. I needed to get the sheets off the bed, change those. I just needed to do overall wipe downs on the dressers as well as the mirror, and just get this room vacuumed and just feeling overall just cleaned, and that felt so good. I was on a little bit of a time crunch this morning. The kids have had swimming lessons the last couple of weeks, and so we were getting ready to go to those. So I had about like 15-20 minutes. I was like, let's get started on whatever I can and then we will head out. So you're gonna see a whole outfit change because we came home, I gave the kids baths, I got a shower because Wacy is in the parent-child class, so I go in there with him, so I wanted to shower after. So that is what we are doing and having fun. The kids are doing so good in swim and it's so fun to see them. But I'm gonna make this bed with my helper here and it takes me 10 times longer, but that's okay. Once we get that done, I'm going to put some laundry away that I had just sitting here in the laundry basket, and then that's going to be it for the before swimming lessons time. And then we're going to move on into cleaning off a few areas in the room where I had like pictures and stuff from when I was tackling my living room, and then I'm also just taking down any of my red and 4th of July decor because I'm over it. I want a little bit of a break so that way by the time I decorate for fall, I'm prepared for lots of color for fall and Christmas time.
With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.
Moving on into the kids' room, I needed to also get their sheets changed. I wanted to wash Waverly's blanket, and you'll see I put the blanket off and I threw all of her stuffed animals on the floor, and then, or no, I threw them onto the bed. And then I was like, I have an extra pair of sheets. At least we can put the sheet on her bed, and then we can do the blanket later. We were having her sleep with the top sheet, and then it just slowly wasn't working out, especially with these sheets, because they will just slide off the bed. So we find it's just easier to just have her have the blanket, and I just have to wash it more, which is totally fine. And then we just washed Waycie's sheet and blanket as well. Did some light, dusting, and then we're vacuuming this space and calling it good. We're gonna get all these clothes put downstairs. We're gonna move on into the living room, vacuuming this back area. We're gonna also take down the 4th of July decor that is in this space, get a ton of laundry. I can't even think of what I'm trying to say. A lot of laundry done, and just get this space looking so much better.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be?
I had so much laundry that needed to be getting done on this day. I had one load that was just already folded that needed put it away, and then I had 2 pretty big loads that needed to be folded and put away. I feel like I have just been struggling with keeping up on laundry, and then with swimming lessons, it feels like I have just been doing laundry constantly because we have swimsuits every day and we have towels every day. So it has definitely been a lot in trying to keep up on it, but we're now done with swimming lessons, so we just have the regular kids playing out in the water, swimming, all that stuff, where we do end up having quite a bit of laundry. But it's fun, it's summer, and I love summertime. It's nice, but it's also like draining. I feel like I'm so tired, and I don't know if you can actually tell by my voice, but we all have kind of caught a little bit of a cold. And it's pretty mild so far. We'll see if it gets to be kind of worse. I hate summer colds, and I was actually just talking the other day about how, you know, it would be our luck to get a summer cold like right when my sister's having her baby, and of course I was the one. But I'm just glad it was me, and my sister, who is still, pregnant waiting to have her baby, she has not gotten it yet, and I'm just gonna stay away from her until we are all healthy for her and that little baby.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 As you sleep, you don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm
We got the living room all cleaned up, the toys and everything. Waverly was such a good help with getting all those toys cleaned up, and I got all the laundry folded, and now we're moving on into this dining room area. I had put the kids down for nap time and quiet time at this point, so I was able to get this clean and have it stay cleaned until dinner, which is always such a nice feeling, except it actually didn't last until dinner because I made some little monster cookies with Waverly. My mom had gotten them, and then the day that we were going to make them, it got really hot, and she was like, I don't want to make the house all hot, so she's like, you guys can take them home and make them. So during quiet time we had it, we make them, oh my gosh, we baked them, and then we had that as a little snack after Wasey woke up from his nap. So he kind of made a mess with it, so it wasn't perfectly clean, but it's the thought that it seemed like it was. But I'm taking the 4th of July decorations down. You'll have to let me know when you actually take yours down. I feel like it varies. Sometimes I want to leave it up the whole month of July. Other times I don't, and I just was kind of feeling over it. I feel like it was just a lot, and I'm wanting to add some different things to my house, and I feel like I can't visually see that very good when I have all of this home decor out. But we're gonna move on into this kitchen. We have a lot going on in here. I needed to just pick things up, get things put away. I had literally our lunch stuff from yesterday that I needed to get put up because we had such a busy day, and I'm normally somebody who cleans up the night before, and I don't think I did very well on this night because I was tired or something. I don't even know. So I needed to get all of this taken care of.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving at you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Now that I got the counters mainly picked up, we're going to go ahead and move on into these dishes. I needed to load them up, get them all good to go, and then I also needed to hand wash a bunch of dishes as well. And then we had like our water pitcher from our old fridge, and we really just don't need that anymore, so I'm going ahead and cleaning that and putting it downstairs so we can save that for another time if we have a lot of people over, or there's ever a time that we wanted filtered water again, we can go ahead and use that. But our fridge filters the water and it actually comes out fast and all of that, so we actually like to use that one now, and it's been so nice having some ice in our water. I forget how much I like it until we got it again because we haven't had it for so long, but it definitely is nice, especially in the summer months. But I also am just going through and spray weighing all of the appliances as I go, because the number one appliance that gets so dirty is the refrigerator, so I definitely needed to get that cleaned up, get all the fingerprints off. But then I felt like I was overwhelmed with this little tray, and I honestly should have messed with this a little bit more, but I just kind of left it. So I'd need to rework this area. I'm not loving the way that it's looking. Honestly, a lot of the kitchen, until I get the backsplash, I just don't really know what I want to do. So I'm just kind of keeping it open, and then as I figure out, once we get the backsplash, I'll just figure out what I want to do with it. But we're gonna go ahead and hand wash these dishes, get ready to sweep and mop these floors as well. I'm just finishing up here in the kitchen, and that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more cleaning motivation, decorating videos, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys all very soon here in my next one. Bye!